A massive fire has engulfed a natural gas producing well of Oil India Limited in Assam's Tinsukia district. 2 firefighters have lost their lives while one is still missing. The incident reported yesterday in the plant that had been leaking gas for the last 14 days, and it might take 4 weeks to douse this horrific inferno. Take a look.
A massive blaze in an oil field in Assam's Tinsukia. This gas well of Bagjan oil field, which was leaking gas for 14 days, is now in flames. Reports say a blast led to the fire, while Oil India engineers were trying to plug the leak on the 27th of May. Indian Air Force is helping in the firefight, rushing in fire tenders. After the request by Assam's Chief Minister to Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, NDRF teams, army, paramilitary personnel have also been engaged in rescue and firefighting. Petroleum Ministry is keeping tab on fire with experts from Singapore being brought to the ground.
জিলা প্ৰশাসনক এই ক্ষেত্ৰত নিৰ্দেশ দিয়া হৈছে আৰু ৰাজ্যৰ মুখ্য সচিব চিফ সেক্ৰেটাৰী ডিজিপিকো এই ক্ষেত্ৰত তৎপৰতাৰে পদক্ষেপ ল'বলৈ নিৰ্দেশ দিয়া হৈছে আৰু যেটো স্থানত বিস্ফোৰণ হৈছে সেই চৌদিশে যাতে স্থানীয় ৰাইজক সম্পূৰ্ণৰূপে নিশ্চিত কৰিব পাৰে তাৰ বাবে জিলা প্ৰশাসন পুলিচ মিলিটাৰী পাৰামিলিটাৰী ফৰ্চেছ আৰু NDRF সকলো তাত উপস্থিত হৈছে।
The situation demands arrangements of large quantities of water, installation of high discharge pumps and removal of debris. All the operations as per alert will take about 4 weeks. However, efforts will be made to reduce this time frame as much as possible.
Thousands of families in adjoining villages which saw the fire spreading have now been evacuated. Several houses and trees in the nearby wetland have been destroyed in the fire. The fire is taking a heavy toll, with at least 2 firefighters losing their lives and several others being injured.
প্ৰশাসন আৰু অইল ইণ্ডিয়া গাফিলতিৰ কাৰণে এই জুইকুৰা আজি দপদপকৈ জ্বলিবলৈ পালে। যদি প্ৰশাসনিক ব্যৱস্থা আৰু অইল ইণ্ডিয়াই এই জুইকুৰা যদি জ্বলাব বিচৰা নাছিল, আজি 14 দিন সময় পোৱাৰ পিছতো তেখেতলোকে ইয়াক জনাবলৈ চেষ্টা নকৰিলে, ইয়াক নিয়ন্ত্ৰণ কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা নকৰিলে, সেইটো কাৰণে আজি এই ঘটনাটো ঘটিবলৈ পালে।
The oil rig may take as long as 4 weeks to douse completely. The affected site is close to the Dibru-Saikhowa National Park, a bioreserve home to rare and protected animals and birds. Bureau Report, India Today.
Keep watching India Today. I'm back with much more. For further news and updates, remember you can always log on to indiatoday.in and log on to the India Today app as well. I'm back with more news after.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.